Good morning. Every morning starts a new page in your story. Make it a great one today. Lovely quote by Do Zantamata. Anyways, I want to let you know, good Wednesday, wonderful morning, everyone. Please be able to share your wonder of the day that is posted at 8:30. Today you have science at 9 o'clock. When we meet at 9:45, we will share the work that you did yesterday for accuracy to see if we all kind of believed in the same themes for those passages. I will also teach you how to work in Savas Realize. It's formerly known as Pearson Realize. Later, I will share your usernames and passwords to get into this platform. And you will need to keep or write it down in a place that you will have access to, because we will be getting assignments and assessments for our Reading Street program. At 10:45, be ready for emoji place value. You should come prepared with your emoji message that's already you cracked the code, so we can break into groups at that time to finish slide 3. See y'all soon and make it a wonderful Wednesday.